Humans love to build straight lines. We pour concrete, draw grids, and pave highways that cut perfectly straight across the landscape. But out in the wild, nature completely ignores that rule. A perfectly straight path is only the most efficient route when absolutely nothing is in your way. It requires a perfectly empty, ideal environment with zero obstacles. But the actual universe is crowded. Everything in motion immediately runs into physical limits, like the constant pull of gravity, shifting changes in pressure, rigid spatial boundaries, and the resistance of physical materials. If an object rigidly insists on moving in a straight line and hits an absolute limit, the result is instant failure. A sharp corner or an abrupt stop is basically geometry having a panic attack. The structure breaks. This is why reality bends instead of breaking. Curvature is what motion does when straightness is no longer a viable option. It is a pure mechanical survival tactic. You can see this happen at the dinner table. Pick up a flat slice of pizza, and the tip immediately flops downward under the pull of gravity. But if you fold that slice slightly down the middle, it instantly becomes stiff. The crust didn't magically get stronger. The geometry simply changed how the load moves through the slice, redirecting the stress so the material stays intact. To understand the math behind this, we have to look at intrinsic curvature, or the Gaussian lock. A cylinder looks curved from the outside, but its internal grid lines remain parallel. It is essentially a flat sheet wearing a curved costume. But watch what happens if we try to force that flat sheet into a sphere. The material fights back. It wrinkles, tears, and stretches, because you cannot gently wrap a flat plane around a ball without distorting it. A sphere has positive intrinsic curvature. To form that shape, the structure must permanently reorganize and rewrite the actual distances inside the material. Structural curvature is geometry asking a material if its internal connections can afford the bend. That answer dictates exactly what physical forms can survive under load. This exact same mechanical rule governs biology. Take the human brain, growing inside the rigid, unyielding bone of the skull. The outer layer of the brain, the cerebral cortex, desperately needs more surface area to handle complex processing. The problem is that the tissue quickly runs out of physical room to expand, so the expanding sheet buckles and folds into a dense series of ridges and grooves. The tissue bends as a controlled compromise between its own biological growth rate and the tight space it lives in. By folding inward, the brain manages to keep its neural communication paths continuous and unbroken, while drastically increasing its processing capacity within a finite limit. Biological curvature is compression without destruction. It is moving tissue solving a massive packing problem. Now, scale this exact logic up to astrophysics. For decades, gravity has been taught using the visual of a heavy bowling ball sinking into a trampoline. We need to throw that rubber sheet metaphor into the educational dumpster. Mass does not yank objects downward with an invisible rope. Instead, dense concentrations of matter physically edit the available pathways in the space around them. This means the moon isn't actually trying to orbit the Earth. Locally, the moon is just drawing a perfectly straight line. But because the mathematical landscape it travels through has been warped by Earth's mass, that straight path naturally loops into a circle. When extreme physical events occur, like two massive black holes spiraling together and merging, the violent change in motion sends immense synchronization disturbances rippling outward through the curvature gradient. This image shows one of the massive concrete tunnels at the LIGO Observatory. It requires endless kilometers of highly sensitive equipment to catch the microscopic stretching and squeezing of reality as those ripples pass through our planet. Curved spacetime is simply the universe's ultimate mathematical map of motion, negotiating with mass. A pizza slice stiffening against gravity, a cortex wrinkling inside a skull, an orbit bending around a star, are all expressing the exact same mechanical behavior. Curvature appears anytime a system must preserve continuity while changing direction. You see it on the human scale constantly. When sound waves wrap around a doorway, or heavy cream swirls into black coffee, the fluid bends into highly organized vortices. Curvature lets the motion redistribute itself so the system avoids exploding into chaos. A curve is a record of a physical negotiation. It is the visible proof that reality has found a way to change its path without breaking apart.